我们女儿也很爱管，这一次回来吃饭就一直坚持要我们用洗碗机洗碗，然后就在这边辩论说怎么样比较省水。
嗯，你觉得他不需要过问这么多关于你的生活细节？
对啊，我们就过得好好，这样子过了几十年了，为什么一直都要改变我们？
呀，嗯，会不会有可能这是女儿表示关心的一种方式，就是她想要孝顺你们，让你们的生活过得比较轻松一点呢
嗯，有可能吧。
？My parents are so stubborn and cheap.
Okay, say more.
For years, they've been using their dishwasher as a dish rack. I've had debates with them about whether a dishwasher actually saves money, in terms of energy and water. They won't listen to me. I just told them that all they needed to do is press a button. It's so easy. I don't understand why they won't just do it.
Hmm. I think besides stubborn, I wonder if it's something not so easy for them, like a new technology, and there's some fear of the unknown, and whether it might be helpful for you to walk them through it.